Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Today, we will be addressing DTC codes P2245 and P2249, which relate to issues with the air-fuel AF sensors in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. Specifically, P2245 indicates a low voltage condition in the V-cent circuit of the rear AF sensor, and P2249 denotes the same problem but in the front AF sensor. The AF sensors play a crucial role in measuring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases, sending this information to the powertrain control module PCM to adjust the fuel mixture for optimal performance and emissions compliance. The sensors are strategically located. The front sensor is near the engine, while the rear sensor is situated further down the exhaust system. Addressing these codes efficiently enhances the vehicle's efficiency and minimizes harmful emissions. The diagnostic trouble codes P2245 and P2249 highlight low voltage issues in the V-cent circuits of the respective AF sensors. The rear AF sensor, referenced by P2245, is located on bank 1, while the front AF sensor, indicated by P2249, is positioned on bank 2. These AF sensors monitor the air-fuel mixture to ensure that the engine operates efficiently. Each sensor includes a 6-pin connector that interfaces with the vehicle's computer system, specifically the PCM. If these sensors malfunction, the vehicle may suffer from performance issues, increased emissions, and reduced fuel efficiency. Therefore, diagnosing and rectifying the issues indicated by these DTCs is paramount. Several potential causes are associated with DTC P2245 and P2249. First, a shorted wire in the V-sense circuit could lead to low voltage readings. This can happen when wires come into contact with ground, resulting in a short circuit that affects the sensor's operation. Second, either AF sensor may be faulty and unable to correctly transmit data regarding the exhaust gases. A malfunctioning sensor might falsely indicate a low voltage condition. Lastly, the issue could stem from the PCM itself. As the central processor for engine management, the PCM interprets sensor data, and faults within it might lead to erroneous readings or sensor performance issues. When DTC P2245 or P2249 is triggered, the most common symptom observed is the illumination of the check engine light. This alert informs the driver that there is a potential issue requiring investigation. Additionally, issues such as poor fuel economy may arise, since improper air-fuel ratios can lead to excessive fuel consumption. Performance problems, such as engine stalling or decreased power, might also manifest as the PCM adjusts the fuel mixture based on flawed sensor data. Drivers may also experience rough idling due to improper combustion conditions caused by faulty readings from the A-fill sensors. In the first troubleshooting step, verify the problem by placing the vehicle in the on mode and clearing any existing DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This crucial step resets the system and allows for fresh readings. Once cleared, check again for pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P2245 or P2249 reappears, it confirms that a fault exists. If no additional codes are indicated, it is essential to investigate potential intermittent issues, which may not present consistently. Inspect connections at the AF sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM, for any signs of wear, corrosion, or loose terminals. The second step involves checking for shorted wires in the V-cent circuits. First, ensure the vehicle is turned off and jump the SCS, service check signal, line with the HDS. Waiting for over 1 minute allows the vehicle systems to enter diagnostic mode. Disconnect the PCM connector and the AF sensor connector. This step is crucial to ensure accurate measurements. Test continuity between the specified test points, using the PCM connector and a body ground. If continuity is verified, it indicates a short in the V-cent wiring requiring repairs. If there is no continuity, the wiring appears to be intact, and further diagnosis is necessary. In the third troubleshooting step, reconnect the PCM connector and exit the SCS mode with the HDS. It's important to ensure that the vehicle is then turned to the on mode to proceed with the diagnostics. After activating the vehicle, measure the voltage between the specified test points while the AF sensor connector remains disconnected. If the voltage reads approximately 0.2 volts or less, it suggests potential issues within the PCM. Here, further service information and diagnostic procedures should be consulted. If the voltage exceeds this threshold and no significant fault is detected, it may indicate the need to replace the faulty AF sensor. After performing repairs based on the previous troubleshooting steps, it's critical to verify the effectiveness of those repairs. Clear any DTCs using the HDS once more before initiating a test drive. During this drive, pay close attention to the vehicle's overall performance, including fuel economy, power delivery, and engine behavior. If the check engine light remains off and there are no additional fault codes, the repair has been successful. This final verification step ensures that the initial problem has been resolved and that the AF sensors and associated circuits are functioning as intended. Preventive maintenance is essential to ensure the ongoing performance of your vehicle and the longevity of its components, especially the AF sensors. Regular checks of the vehicle's diagnostic system can catch potential issues early, preventing more severe problems down the line. It's also crucial to routinely inspect wiring and connectors for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. When replacing components like AF sensors, always opt for high-quality parts that meet OEM specifications. This not only helps in maintaining the vehicle's performance, but also contributes to better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. In conclusion, understanding the role of AF sensors is fundamental when dealing with DTCs P2245 and P2249. These sensors play a vital part in maintaining optimal engine performance by managing the air-fuel ratios. By systematically identifying and testing for these DTCs, you can accurately diagnose issues and implement effective repairs. Furthermore, emphasizing the need for preventive maintenance will help keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently. Remember to stay vigilant about vehicle performance, as early diagnosis leads to easier repairs and a more reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.